Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for a quick CVS haul video. Thanks for joining me once again, and if you're new here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go pick up some deals. The first deal I'll pick up is the buy 2 get 5 back on Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrushes. This deal is a limit of 2, but I'm going to separate the transaction and do it a little different. That way all my coupons will come off. The toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. I'm going to pick up one. And the toothbrush is also on sale for $3.99. I'll pick up one. These two will total $7.98. And I'll use a $2 digital coupon for the toothpaste and another $2 digital coupon for the toothbrushes. That will take off $4 and I'll pay $3.98. Get 5 back, making them free, and a $1.02 money maker. I'm going to add a secret deodorant deal to this transaction. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, and they are priced at $4.99. I'll pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Everybody received a 4 off 2 secret deodorant CRT, and I have a 3 off 9 secret deodorant CRT. Both will take off $7, and I'll pay $3.98 and get 4 back, making them free and 2 cents money maker. This is my receipt for this transaction. My 2 digital coupons came off, and my 2 CRTs also applied. I ended up using $5 extra care box, paid $186 plus tax out of pocket, and I got $5 back for the Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush, and $4 back for the secret deodorant. The next deal I'll pick up is buy 2 get $5 back on Scope mouthwash. I have a 5 off 20 Crest CRT I'm going to use, but I will show you a way to do this deal if you don't have that CRT and you're doing it by itself. These are priced at $6.29 each. Pick up 2 for a total of $12.58. We have a $1 digital coupon, and if you have Coupon 24 app, you can use a $1 coupon there as well. The 2 coupons will take off $2 and you pay $10.58, get 5 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. This is how I'm going to set up my transaction: 2 mouthwashes and 2 toothpaste. These 4 will total $20.56. I'll use a 5 off 3 coupon from Coupon 24 app and a $2 Crest coupon from Coupon 24 app. That's for the 4th item, and the 5 off 20 Crest CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $12 and I'll pay $8.56, get $5 back for the mouthwash deal and another $5 back for the Crest deal. That will end up making them free and a $1.44 money maker. This is my receipt for this transaction. The 2 coupons applied and the 5 off 20 also came off as well. I used some extra care box to pay down my balance. One of them adjusted down to $3.56. I paid 0 out of pocket, I only paid tax, and I got back $5 for the mouthwash deal and a $5 back for the Crest deal. The next deal I picked up is the spend 20 get 5 back on Scott products. The first item I'm picking up for this transaction is the 12 roll bath tissue on sale for $9.99 and 1 Scott Comfort Plus on sale for $9.99. These 2 will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. I have a $1 digital coupon and a 3 off 15 next purchase CRT I got after using the percentage of CRT we normally receive in our email. The coupon and the CRT will take off $4 and I'll pay $15.98, get 5 back, making them $10.98 or $5.49 each. This is my receipt for this transaction. The coupon applied and the 3 off 15 also came off. I used $11.26 in extra care box, paid $4.72 out of pocket, and I got $5 back. The next 2 items I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, and that's the Huggies wipes. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and they are priced at $4.59. I'll pick up 2. The 50 cents digital coupon we have is not attaching to it, and we don't have any Ibotta offer for this. So I'm going to pay $4.59, and that will make each pack just $2.30. The last item I picked up is the CVS brand Kids toothpaste, priced at $3.69. It's not giving back any extra care box, and I have $2 CRT that made it free. I paid 0. It didn't even charge me tax for this item. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.